You've probably heard about Agentforce, Salesforce's groundbreaking new AI platform that's been making serious waves across the ecosystem. It hasn't been out for long, but the buzz is real, and it's quickly becoming clear that Agentforce could reshape the entire Salesforce landscape as we know it. Whether you're a business leader, a Salesforce admin, or just someone keeping an eye on where AI is headed, this is one of those moments where you might just be witnessing the start of something big. In case you haven't heard, Agentforce is Salesforce's bold new move into the world of autonomous AI agents. And no, we're not just talking about smarter chatbots here. These agents are designed to take actual actions across your Salesforce org. Think case, resolution, follow-ups, lead qualification, basically the stuff your team does every day, but handled automatically, intelligently, and at scale. Salesforce calls them trusted AI agents that work on your behalf, which is a fancy way of saying they're bots with brains that actually understand your workflows. Right, let's talk real impact. Agentforce is about automating away the repetitive, error-prone stuff so your people can focus on what really matters. Here's why investing early matters. 1. Massive efficiency gains. Agents never sleep, never miss a follow-up, and never get bogged down in mundane tasks. 2. It's built natively on Salesforce, meaning tighter security, better data governance, and deep integration with the platform you're already using. 3. Future-proofing your business. This is where Salesforce is heading. If you're already in the ecosystem, Agentforce is part of the roadmap, so you might as well get a head start. Not only that, but you can also expect some pretty game-changing capabilities to transform your business processes. This includes Agent Builder, a drag-and-drop interface to spin up agents using Flow, Apex, and Prompt Builder. There's also Skills Builder, which is a builder that lets you assign specific capabilities to agents like handle refunds or create quotes. And it's all built on the Atlas reasoning engine, Salesforce's new metadata-powered AI brain behind Agentforce that brings context awareness to every action the agent takes. We've covered this in more depth in this video here, which you can check out at the top of the description. Before we go any further, I'm sure that many of you watching right now are interested in getting work done successfully without spending a bunch of unnecessary time on it. It's kind of why AI was invented, right? Well, that's where this video's sponsor, Prodly, comes in. Prodly is a Salesforce DevOps platform that enables fast, accurate deployment of data and metadata changes across Salesforce applications, including CPQ, billing apps, and the new Revenue Cloud Advanced. In fact, it's the first and only DevOps tool for Revenue Cloud Advanced, helping organizations navigate Salesforce's shift away from CPQ by offering migration support, implementation, and ongoing change management. Interested? Well, good news. To support companies planning their transition, Prodly is offering a free CPQ to Revenue Cloud Advanced migration assessment to get you started. Check it out at www.salesforcespend.com/Prodly, which will be linked at the top of the description. Back to the video. So you might be convinced by now, but still wondering, well, what can I actually use Agentforce for in my business? The biggest use case for businesses using Agentforce already is customer service. For example, you could use an Agentforce agent to triage incoming cases, prioritize them, answer common questions, and only escalate complex ones to a human. Salesforce themselves actually uses agents for this purpose, using an Agentforce agent on their help page. One Salesforce partner shared that after implementing Agentforce, their first level support response time dropped by over 40%. That's a huge win. It can also be used to help with sales opportunities. Agents can be used to chase down missing lead data, qualify opportunities, and even create tasks for reps based on pipeline status. A final interesting use case that we saw not too long ago was using an agent for HR purposes, putting it in charge of handling holiday requests. According to Salesforce's own roadmap and their Dreamforce keynote, we can expect a lot more exciting developments in the future too. This includes more vertically specific agents aimed at specific industries such as healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. This means that agents and agent templates are likely to become easier to tailor for a wider range of industries and sectors, opening up Agentforce to so much more accessibility. We can also expect tighter integrations with Slack and Data Cloud to allow for better data handling and cross-communication and improved natural language capabilities, so you can literally say, create a renewal forecast and have an agent do it end to end. It's safe to say that the next few months are going to be exciting. Of course, no piece of groundbreaking tech comes without its caveats, and Agentforce is no exception. The biggest hurdle is data quality. If your Salesforce org is messy, your agents will be too. It's only as smart as the information you give it. There's also a learning curve. While the tools are getting more user-friendly, building effective agents still require some technical know-how and thoughtful setup. And finally, cost is a factor. Pricing isn't fully transparent yet, and early feedback suggests it won't be cheap. For many teams, the value will depend on how well it's implemented and adopted. In short, Agentforce has huge potential, but it's not a silver bullet. Approach it with a clear strategy and you'll be in a good place. If you're ready to get started, we've got the perfect video for you that you can check out here in the corner. It will also be linked in the video's description, showing you how you can actually get started with Agentforce for free. That's right, free. Here are some other quick tips in the meantime. 1. Check out the prompt builder and flow tools you already have in your org. Many of the Agentforce capabilities are evolutions of these. 2. Enable Skills Builder, available in most Enterprise Plus editions, to begin assigning tasks to simple AI agents. 3. Check out our written and video guides on the channel and on our blog. There's plenty to get stuck into if we do say so ourselves. Let's be honest, Agentforce hasn't fully taken off yet. Adoption's slower than expected and some people are still on the fence. But that's exactly why now is the best time to invest your time and attention. If you invest now, you get early experience while everyone else is still figuring it out. And when the tech does take off, you'll already be ahead of the curve. If you're thinking, hey, this might be worth my time, then go try the free Foundations pack. Play around, see what works, and get your AI agent army up and running before everyone else catches on. And of course, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Salesforce tips, and drop your questions in the comments. We've got plenty more Agentforce content coming your way.